In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar from Monday to Sunday, 2025. We'll set your calendar to start the week on Monday and make sure all 7 days, Monday through Sunday, are visible in your weekly view. This is great if you plan your week starting on Monday or you need weekends to display alongside weekdays for a full picture of your schedule. First, open Google in your browser. On the top right, click the Google Apps grid, the small square made of dots, and choose Calendar. If you're taken to the main calendar screen, you're in the right place. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right and click it. Then choose Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click General if it's not already selected. Under General, find and click View Options. This is where Google Calendar controls how your calendar is displayed. In View Options, locate the setting called Start Week On. Click the drop-down and select Monday. This tells Google Calendar to arrange your weekly layout beginning with Monday at the far left, followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. It doesn't change your events, just how the calendar is organized, which can make planning more intuitive if Monday is your first working day. Use the back arrow in the top left to return to your calendar. Take a look at the week view. If you only see Monday to Friday, don't worry. That just means your view is currently limited to the work week. Head back to the gear icon and open Settings again. In the left sidebar, go back into View Options. Here, change the display so it shows 7 days. This ensures the weekly view includes both Saturday and Sunday, along with Monday through Friday. With Start Week On set to Monday and the view set to 7 days, your calendar will now display the full week from Monday, all the way to Sunday. Return to the main calendar screen. You should now see a complete Monday to Sunday layout. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. Remember, these settings affect only your view, so you can adjust them anytime without impacting anyone else's calendar. That's it. You've set your Google Calendar to start on Monday and to display all 7 days of the week. This setup makes planning weekends, deadlines, and personal events much clearer, and it's easy to tweak later if your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined calendar.